Like we all heard, we're talking about societal reformation. And the lecturer started well by letting us know that for you to even talk of reformation, it presupposes that something has gone wrong. So, and for us to have a good life, we have to reverse it and put it right. And he told us, he highlighted many ways you can approach this. He mentioned hard work, he mentioned good family upbringing, he mentioned hard work, like I said, he mentioned justice, economic empowerment, and stuff like that. And at the end of the day, we are all enlightened, we are all educated, that life is not of miracle, that whatever we desire in life, we have to work towards it. So he discouraged us from laziness or idleness, and you have to work. That God will not descend from heaven to provide for you. You have to make effort. God can then bless it in many folds, but you have to make effort. So it's a very good lecture. I have learned a lot, and I want to believe a lot of people have learned. Taibat Garbadeen Foundation stems from the tradition of our mother, Alaja Taibat Garbadeen, when she was alive. For like that senior alpha speaking now, the one standing. Our mother will engage him every Thursday, and we know her doing that for more than 30 years. Every Thursday, they will provide food and corn for animals on every Thursday, and he will send us to give elderly people materials, foodstuff every week, because she was a trader. Once she came back from a market, she would give us things to go and give people. That's what she was doing. So, and one of the ways to bless your late ones is to continue what they were doing when they were alive. So that's what gave back to this. And we thank God this is the 6th edition. We should take advantage of this period to be of good character, to have sympathy for our fellow human beings, and to desist from any act that can cause problem in the society. We should be our brother's keeper. And the patience, the calmness that we enjoy during Ramadan, we should continue even after Ramadan to have a better and peaceful society.